It is a great honor for me to stand before you this evening on behalf of the graduates of the 26th graduation ceremony of Mogadishu University. Today is a celebration of not only our degrees, but also years of hard work, sacrifice, and perseverance. We are deeply grateful to Mogadishu University for providing us with a strong academic environment, valuable knowledge, and the opportunity to grow as researchers and professionals. To our professors and lecturers, thank you for your guidance, patience, and continuous support. Your contribution will remain with us long after this ceremony. For me personally, completing my doctoral studies here as a Turkish citizen at a Somali university has a very special meaning. I am especially grateful to my professors and particularly respected Professor Dr. Abdurrahman Abdullahi Badiov for his invaluable academic guidance and support throughout my doctoral journey. This experience also represents the strong friendship between Turkey and Somalia. For many years, we have proudly spoken about Somali graduates who studied in Turkey. Today, we are also building a growing community of Turkish graduates of Somali universities. I hope that our experience will inspire more Turkish and Somali students to study in each other's universities and lead to more academic exchanges, joint research, and stronger educational cooperation. Because education doesn't only build individuals, it builds bridges between nations. I conclude my speech here by once again congratulating all my graduating friends. May our knowledge serve our people, our countries, and humanity. May Allah protect, love, and gladden you. Esselamu Aleyküm ve Rahmetullahi ve Berekatuhu.